Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to insert emojis with Windows 10 keyboard. So let's begin the tutorial. So to insert emojis in Windows 10 you need to use virtual keyboard. So to use the virtual keyboard you need to enable it, which you can find it by right clicking on taskbar and click on show task keyboard button. So by clicking here you will see and keyboard like icons here. So by clicking here task keyboard you will see a keyboard, virtual keyboard, where you can find an emojis symbol. By clicking this emojis symbol you can insert emojis anywhere. So you have lots of emojis available in this virtual keyboard. You can use different type of emojis by using this keyboard. So let's say I want to insert an emojis in Facebook status. So here if I want to insert an emojis in my post, so I just need to click on this virtual keyboard and click on this emoji symbol, and here I can insert by clicking on emoji icon. Like say if I want to insert this emoji, then just click on it and this will add into Facebook post. So you can see here there are lots of available emojis you can find in this virtual keyboard. So in this way you can use emojis in Windows 10 PC or a laptop. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest notifications. And lastly, thanks for watching my video.